Windows 11 installation. In this video, you would exactly know how to overcome the challenges with the installation of Windows 11 operating system. Let's get right into the video. Honestly, when I tried to install for the first time, it didn't let me get through until I figured out this effective method for installing Windows 11. Before we go ahead, you can download Windows 11 image file from this video description and also go through the tutorial on coffeewithcomputers.com. Alright, I would quickly go ahead and run through the Windows 11 setup. And now, as we can see here, there is a message which says PC cannot run Windows 11 as it does not require the minimum requirement. Well, let's get this fixed right away. So first, we need to make some changes with the registry, which I would show you how to do it further in this video. Close this message box and it would ask you to quit the setup, and please select yes. Now, when we are in the initial setup window, we need to open the command prompt by holding the Shift key and pushing F10 on the keyboard. Once the command prompt is open, we need to open the registry editor by typing regedit and hit enter on the keyboard. Once the registry editor is open, we would go to the H key local machine, select system, and then go to the setup. Right click on the setup folder and create a key and name it as labconfig, exactly how I put in the video. The commands are also available in the video description. Once the labconfig subfolder is created, right-click on the subfolder and create a new dword 32-bit key and name it as bypass TPM check and modify its value from 0 to 1, exactly how I'm doing in this video. Similarly, we would right-click on the labconfig subfolder again and create another dword 32-bit key and name it as bypass security boot check, exactly how I put it in this video. Modify its value from 0 to 1 and then click on OK. Close the registry editor and exit from the command prompt by typing exit exit and initiate the start once again. As we can see here, the message has been bypassed and now we can proceed with the Windows 11 installation without any issues. You can go through the complete installation process, and if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and hit on the bell icon for more notifications.